Hello, lovely children. Are you ready to meet?
Hi, kids. I'm Speedy the car. I love to race.
Hey, I'm Skylar the airplane. I fly above the clouds.
Hello, I'm Chuggy the train. I love long rides.
Hi, I'm Zippy the scooter. I zoom through the city.
Hello, I'm Helix the helicopter. I fly and hover.
Hi, I'm Splash the speedboat. I love the waves.
Howdy, I'm Rusty, the tractor. I work on the farm.
Hi, I'm Rocky the pickup truck. I carry big stuff.
Hi, I'm Bella the bicycle. Let's ride together.
Hi! I'm Beep Beep the bus. Let's go to school.
Hello, I'm Max the semi-truck. I drive far and wide.
Hey, I'm Trixie the taxi. Need a ride?
Hi, I'm Blaze, the fire truck. I'm here to help.
Hello, I'm Siren the police car. I'll keep you safe.
Hi, I'm Amber, the ambulance. I help in emergencies. Hi, I'm Metro the trainer. I zoom under the city.
Hi, I'm Coco the canoe. Let's paddle together.
Hey, I'm Subby the subway. Next stop, fun.
Hi, I'm Jetty the jet. I'm super fast.
Hi, I'm Tilda the trolley. Ding, ga-ding, ga.
Hi, I'm Scooty the scooter. Let's roll.
Hi, I'm Glidey the cable car. I climb mountains.
Hi, I'm Dusty the dump truck. I haul heavy loads.
Hi, I'm Zano the UFO. I come in peace.